Hi, I'm Audrey Greenwood from Flagship International, and I'm here on board today the 2004 Princess V65 Vision. She's a beautiful boat, been beautifully maintained, and is a perfect entertainer. Come on board and let's check her out. On board Vision, we've got this massive big entertaining deck. It's fantastic for entertaining. This is where you'll spend all your time. You've got TVs both sides, great sound systems. It's fully air conditioned up here. You've got your sunbeds back there. You've got your wet bar and ice maker and drinks and everything at hand here. Massive big sunroof, lots of light, lots of air, and of course with the helm there, the captain's all inclusive. Here we are on the transom of Vision. Here we've got the hydraulic swim platform, umbrellas, barbecue, deck chairs, perfect spot for a beer while you're barbecuing. We've got the garages here, jet ski in here, tender in here, up there your sun pads. It's just the perfect boat for summer boating and entertaining. Vision lacks nothing in its electronics and navigation package. It's fully optioned up with the Ray Marine gear. You've got autopilot, you've got a yacht controller, it's got all the gear. Extremely low hour engines, 1100 horsepower mans that are ready to turn key and go anywhere. Thanks for joining us today on board Vision, the V65 Princess. If you'd like any further details, more information, or to arrange a viewing, contact me, Audrey Greenwood, at Flagship International.